Hey, happy birthday, beta. God bless you. May all your wishes come true. Love you loads. Bye.
हैप्पी बर्थडे दामनी चटर चटर खूब खुश रहो खूब आबाद रहो चटर चटर
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Damini. Happy birthday to you.
Hey Damni, this is a special day, so I want to wish you a very happy birthday and जैसी हो वैसी रहो और बच्चों पे थोड़ा रहम खाओ लूटो में.
देवी को आदाब हैप्पी बर्थडे दामनी चटर 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 चटर
Happy birthday, Damini. Wish you all the love. This is just an effort from me and Stuti to make you smile a little bit more on your birthday. Hope you're smiling ear to ears looking at all this. And we love you. Wish you the best birthday ever. Mwah. Bye.
दामनी तुमको बर्थडे की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं और तुम बहुत खुश रहो और हमेशा खुश रहो. तो यार वो ऐसा है ना कि मैं पहली बार बना रहा हूँ, मुझे शर्म बहुत आ रही.
हैप्पी बर्थडे दामनी खूब खुश रहो खूब आबाद रहो चटर चटर
Wish you a very happy birthday, my Motu, Dammo. Love you. May the God bless you always. And so बहुत सारा प्यार. Love you. Happy birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे दामनी खूब खुश रहो खूब आबाद रहो चटर चटर
You realize like we have been friends for almost 15 years, maybe more. I think I remember we first met, we were in class 5th, I guess. You came to school in class 5th or class 4th, I don't remember now, I'm sorry. But I remember the time that we used to sit separately on the back putter of that rickshaw so that we can just literally talk. We used to talk all the time in school. We used to talk all the time, I think, on call. I don't remember that, but yeah, I remember like I've seen each other through some real hardships in life, some great amazing moments that has like a different fan base altogether. I may not be the best person to contact you or call you daily, but I think you know and I think we both know that we're going to be there, we're going to be around when we really need each other. I don't need that acknowledgement daily in my life that you're around. And tagged us on a post that we don't give you surprises. Like, look at my face, look at Ghazal's face. Do you really think that we can give, like, I don't know about Ghazal, but I definitely cannot give a surprise to anyone. I've not given a surprise to anyone in my life. Ghazal is managing her bits really well, and I think you're in for something. I'm not really sure. Okay. And I love you so much, and I wish I was there. I wish we could have celebrated it together. It's been a while since we have not done that. I think the last we did it when we were in school. It used to be a mayhem. I still remember people, the waiters and Aryans, they actually came to us and they were like, could you please keep it low because you guys are just disturbing the other guests. We were a mad bunch. Matlab, we were crazy. I miss all that. I miss my school days. I miss being with you guys. I wish we would have finished our schooling together, like till 12th, and at some point we would have spent some more time together. Maybe in future, we never know. Let's plan something next. A great birthday trip where we can go for more candle shoppings together. Irritate the heck out of Ghazal, witness Ghazal breaking more of her teeth, and let's plan something amazing. Birthday trip where we can go for more candle shoppings together. Irritate the heck out of Ghazal, witness Ghazal breaking more of her teeth, and let's plan something amazing. And I wish you a very happy birthday. Here's to a year where you can really build something out of you, because you've been trying to do that for so long, and I really wish you succeed on that part. I know you'd be amazing in whatever you do, a boutique of yours or a small business you're gonna start. I think you'd be like really well in that, because that is something you need and that is something you want from really long. So I really wish that you could you would be able to achieve that in this year. And I just wish we get to spend more time. And I love you and I miss you and I wish, so many things. Bye bye.
Birthday, my love. So today's your birthday. I'm so happy. Thanks for always understanding my ridiculousness and laughing with me. So blessed to have you in my life. I love you. I love you. I love you a lot. Mwah.
हैप्पी बर्थडे दामनी खूब खुश रहो खूब आबाद रहो चटर चटर